Hi, welcome to Simply Made Fancy. I'm Ruth Angelina, and it's unboxing time, and I'm unboxing something really special that's gonna make my life just a little bit easier. All right, so here is what I just ordered. This is the Bissell steam mop. I ordered it from QVC. Well, my husband ordered it from QVC for me because I've been talking about this mop for a while and it was sold out, and finally it came back in stock and we got it on sale. So we are so excited about this. I truly believe in steam cleaning and steam mopping. We used to have another brand a long time ago, but we had it for many years and then it stopped working, and we couldn't afford some of the ones that we wanted. So I was waiting and waiting patiently, cleaning my floors with whatever I could. But now I'm so excited because I have this. So I'm unboxing it. Let's see what it looks like. And then I'm gonna give you some tips on how to clean and what solutions to use with your steam mop to make your floors, hardwood floors especially, nice and shiny and new. And this is the best thing, especially because of all the germs and everything that's going on right now. We want to make sure that our floors are clean and disinfected. And the best way to do that is with steam cleaning, heat cleaning. So first we have our little manual. Then we have these little discs. And I believe that these are, oh, it says Spring Fresh Fragrance Discs. So they have these fragrance discs that you can put, and it gives it a nice little smell, you know, just aroma. And I think I also can put essential oils in it. This is the pad where you're going to put your steamer, and that's what's gonna clean your floors. And you can actually order extra of these. And here's a little pocket. I saw the tutorial before, so here's a little pocket. You can put the discs in here, and there's another place that you can put it, and then that'll give, you know, your floors like a little fragrance. Another one, and this already comes attached, and it's super simple. Like, guys, look at this. See, you take it out, you put it back in. And the best thing about it is that it's not like those, you know, disposable mop things that you just have to keep buying them and cleaning your floors with. You just clean your floors, put it in the wash, and it's good to go. And you have two versions. So you have this one and that one. And here is also one of the reasons why I like this as well is because you can detach it from the base. So it'll go like this, but you can detach it from the base, and then you have this part. And this is good for steaming, kind of like if you want to, like, if something's funky and you need to clean something, you can do this. You know, you can do your upholstery, your curtains, your bathrooms and showers, anything like maybe tile that you kind of want to like clean and get some of the scummy dirtiness off. This is great. So I like the look of it. I like that it's lightweight. It has great reviews. It looks like it does have a long cord, which is very important with these things because you don't want to have to always take them out of one outlet and another and another. It's plugged in. I'm gonna put the water. So this is just water. And honestly, I didn't even read the directions. So I'm assuming since I had one before, it's just the same. Okay, so it has here, I guess we turn it on. And then that's the steam, right? Let's see. Or maybe we need to. Ooh, yeah. That's pretty quick.
Whoa,
It's really, really.
I see it. You see it?
Okay. Oh, look at that. And just in time, my parents just knocked on the door and they're coming in. So just in time for them, my floors are getting nice and clean. Ooh, it picked up some dirt, yeah. And we had just cleaned the floors. So the fact that it even has picked up more shows you that your floors do need that extra little bit of a cleaning. And it smells good. Those fragrance discs do work. That's the Bissell Steam Mop, and I am in love. I can't wait to just do my whole house, all my floors. This is like my toy for the next couple of weeks. And I'm sure my boys are gonna get really tired of me just coming around and cleaning all around them. But I'm so excited about this. I'm already loving it, and it's great. So if you enjoyed this little video, please make sure to hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe and check out some of my other videos. Happy mopping, everybody.